Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Brave browser settings in 2026. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down the left sidebar and click Reset Settings. Now click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation window will appear, explaining what will happen if you reset the browser settings. To complete the process, simply click the Reset Settings button. For this demonstration, I'm not clicking the Final Reset button because it will immediately apply the changes to the browser settings. The steps are exactly the same if you want to perform the reset on your own browser. That's all you need to do to reset Brave browser settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Brave browser tutorials. See you in the next video.